sharing real life stories with the world. In this video, I am going to share a very important one. Okay, so I worked with a company chairman for many years. We used to have discussions every day on different issues, different problems. Okay, the chairman always says, we will not give up, we'll find a solution, or we fight back, we'll achieve it. So his main thing is we will not give up. Okay, so we solved hundreds of problems, complex problems, complicated problems, with the only thinking we should not give up, we have to fight back and we have to achieve. After working many years with him, I also developed the same quality. Okay, we will not give up. When he was not there, I was solving the problems one by one with the thinking that we should not give up. And we achieved also. In many years have not found a single thing we lost, and everything we achieved. Okay, we came up with very problem and find solutions. So as I developed this quality, so how it used in my life, I will explain you. Okay, so I shifted my family from Africa to India when my son came to 9th class. Okay, so they shifted and he is about to join 9th class. I wanted him to join in a best college called Oak Ridge International. Okay, it's a best college. I called them from Africa. So they told, okay, your son has to take the entrance test. If he passes, we'll give the admission. So my wife, my child went to take the test, and out of 30 marks, he got only 3 marks. Then I called them. They said, we cannot give admission to your son. He's very weak, and we never saw a student getting 3 marks out of 30 in the entrance exam. So then I told them, his syllabus is low in Africa. You just test whatever he studied. They said, no, we cannot test it because in 9th class he is going to study Indian CBSE syllabus. So he has to pass the test of 8th class. Then I asked him, when is the college opening? They told 1 more month time is there. Then I requested them to give 1 more chance to write the exam. Okay, they agreed. Okay, we are giving 25 days. And so date he has to come and write the exam. Then what I did, I arranged a tuition teacher, 3 teachers, physics, chemistry, mathematics, to stay in my house for 25 days. We had a big house that time, 4-bedroom house. And 1 room I made like a classroom with a blackboard, chalks, everything. The 3 teachers stay in my house to teach. Every teacher teaches 3 hours with 2 hours gap. Okay. Then I told the teachers, I will pay so much for you for the 25 days, and if you get the admission, I'll give you double the salary. So they stayed in my house, and food, everything from our side. They started teaching him like a college, like a school. And on 25th day, he took an exam. He got 27 marks out of 30. 27 marks, okay? All college confused. And the principal told, first time he saw, in 25 days, a student covered so much syllabus and got 27 marks out of 30. Still, the principal gave conditional admission to see his performance for first 3 months. What happens here? When you work with a leader, when the leader wants to train you, or you want to get trained yourself, you will develop the leadership qualities. This is the leadership quality I developed by working with an excellent leader. Do not give up the quality I developed. Not only this incident, and many things I solved, I achieved with this concept of we will not give up. Okay, this is the advantage of working with a great leader and to develop great qualities, and which will help us to grow in career to grow in personal life, work with leaders, learn from leaders. Thank you very much.